Hi everybody, good morning. I don't even know what time it is in your neck of the wood. So welcome back to another video. People, if I ever tell you the dilemma, why am I standing here? The dilemma behind why am I standing here? One of the last on the road. Anyway, I'm going shopping today and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's go. If we get any footage after this, then you know I didn't make it to go shopping. But if no, that means I don't know nothing, and that's it. Anyway, come on. So here is what happened. From a couple of weeks ago, because I start work now every day, 10.5 hours, 11 hours a day. So during the week, I don't have time to go shopping or to do anything. So here when I say I'm going to know, I said this morning is Saturday morning, I'm going to wake up early, leave everybody in their bed since Matt is working on night shift. So I'm going to go extra tired and I'm going to go there in bed asleep. So I decided that I would take the bus, go to salon, take the bus, go in town and pick up a few stuff because sale going on right now. And since you know September, they're right around the corner. So sales going on right now. So I said, okay, I'll take the bus going town to catch this afternoon, this summer sale. People, I missed the bus first. I missed the first bus. Not really the first bus, but I missed the bus, which was at 10:07 because normally you have a bus every hour, and normally you have a bus at 10:40. So me now wake up like about 9:25, 9:15 somewhere there. Look about breakfast for the kids. Get ready. Leave out the house. Have in mind so the bus is going to pass at 10:15. People, I go at the bus stop, go see 10:07. 10:07. So you know, goodie, well dressed up and thing, figure shopping, figure down milk money, and this is what happened. This is what happened. So I'm going back home. I'm on my way going home now, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to go back to the bus stop in about the next bus is at 11:27. So I'm going to go home and come back outside to catch the bus at 11:17. So I could see how that second attempt go to catch the bus. I can go home and go fix up my face like a bit because I didn't have time a while ago. I'm gonna try to catch the bus when I exit at this time. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Hopefully next time I pick up the camera, I'm in the bus. Yeah, 10 minutes before, so let me see if I will catch the bus this time because I must catch the bus now. I'm working magic for my eyebrows. People may not really wear makeup, so this is all I got for you. I can't find my glasses, so I have to buy one today. So, catch you later on the bus. So 12 o'clock, I'm finally in town. And now I'm walking, doing some shopping. Oh Jesus, I'm tired. I get one glass of spoon. my aim is to find a bathing suit because in 2 weeks I'll be on vacation and I need a bathing suit. My bathing suit that they all have them cool here now. I change out my wardrobe a bathing suit. I come and I got on bathing suit. I think I find some bathing suit. Can't find on the America. Trying to find a slippers for Mr. Olive. Which one if you take? Puma. I think I have to call them to find out which one you want. Oh, I'm still in town. We can't even get the video inside the store them as much as I would want to because my hand them full up. So I'm gonna grab something to eat and go home. Okay, so grab something to eat and go home. I'm tired, it's done hot, and I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna get something to eat and home sweet home. I don't like my glasses. Something that mad me a while ago, I couldn't see. So I stopped to get something to eat. Meanwhile, waiting on the bus to go back home. I wait for my food now. And look, where they above my head. One pigeon did it right there, so over my head. But bunny tape in front of me. And as I pick up my camera, I video the pigeon. Above my head, the pigeon gone. It's right there, so. Alright, so my food soon come. So I sit down, now I can sit down right in front of mango. I'm going to eat my food because it's coming there a while ago. The bird them come down upon me. So I'm going to have my lunch here, right in front of mango. So this is the next day. I'm just going to show the pieces that I've bought yesterday. This is a skirt short. It's a short. It looks like a skirt. That is for me. With this white top or like an off-white top. I'm going to try it. This black short, green short, €35.99, and I got 30% off. This was €25.99, also 30% off. And this was €29.99, €30, 20% off. All this is from one store. This is from another store. Just a plain white top to get it strapped. You know, most time you have something wearing. You want that. €2.99 for this one. And then I bought these accessories. And this one was €12.99, 50% off. So keep that easy. And then this earring, this wasn't on sale. And this was €5.99. And I also bought these two. This one marked Love. And this one, Enjoy. Cute little bracelet. I bought these shorts for my daughter, for my yacht. I don't remember how much this is, because I price sometimes. But I think it was €8. This t-shirt for the husband. Nice t-shirt, and this is size 10. I paid €30 with 20% off this one. Then this t-shirt from another store. I think this was €9. This was on sale. Okay, so this is model number 1. Turn around, let me see your slippers. These slippers, size 37 for Jamoy. From model, my son, model, walk. Walk, come towards me. Go back, go back. Model number 1, Jamoy. Model number 2 now. Alright, model number 2, turn. She's not having it this morning. Turn, Maya. Alright, just soon get to go back to what you can't do. Turn. Turn again. Smile. And this is a size 8. Turn, turn. It's a little bit roomy at the top, but okay, thank you. Say bye-bye. So this is the white top. But this is it. Skirt short. I won't actually wear it with this top, but I like it. Alright, so here is the black short. And this is a size 36, and normally I'm a size 38 or 40. See, it's still roomy. It's a little bit tight in the waist. I'll do it a bit of this. It's nice, I like it. I forget my new glasses. How could I forget my new glasses? See my new glasses there? I bought these glasses. No, you're not gonna see it good yesterday on the video. I think this is the first brown glasses I've ever owned. All my glasses were before always black. So my year finally finished. It finished yesterday. After 1 week, because I started last week Saturday and finished yesterday in the middle. So it's still twist. You can see it's still twist up. So I wait for one occasion to pull them out and make it straight. And just stay curly. So the only thing I'm going to do is just oil the root and keep it like that. Continue to watch the video. These are the pieces for Alex. This top was for €20 at 30% off, I think. And it's a size M. You know, Alex not like up on camera, so I should go them and show them. This other top white green t-shirt, size 16. I think it was €15, I don't remember. This other top was size 16 also. Good quality material, cotton. And then this green shorts, and this is a size 28, €30. And this LL slippers from Mr. Alex. I think it was €30. So that was all that I bought yesterday. So I hope you like today's shopping clothing haul video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, turn on that notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to us already. And please to leave us a comment. Share to your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in another video. Bye bye.